Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show how to adjust the animation settings on Telegram Web to strike the perfect balance between smooth visuals and better performance on your PC. With the latest update, Telegram has made it easier to control how animations behave, especially if you want to save some system power without completely turning off the visual experience. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open Telegram Web on your computer using your preferred browser. Once you're logged in and on the main chat screen, look toward the top left corner. You'll see the familiar 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Click on that to open the main menu. From there, find and click on Settings. This is where Telegram keeps all your customization options. After entering Settings, scroll a bit until you see the section labeled Animations and Performance. Go ahead and click into it. Now you'll see a setting called Animation Level. This is the key part. Telegram allows you to adjust how intense or minimal the animations are across the interface. Instead of disabling animations completely, you can fine-tune them. Look for the slider under Animation Level. You'll notice different positions along the bar. To enable moderate power saving while still keeping things visually smooth, drag the slider to the option labeled Nice and Fast. This setting reduces heavy animations but keeps enough motion so the app still feels responsive and modern.